Okay, we are wore out. We wore out. Had to go get the lumber. Today is August 11th, around 2 o'clock. We at the 144 Old Chattanooga Valley Road. And you can see it done towed the wall out. Boy, this hill's a mother. Gotta watch out for nails. I got on my tennis shoes. You can kind of see that was all deteriorated. It's all out now. They're getting all that wood out. Evidently it wasn't termite treated. Nobody treated for termite. Hey, cat, we're gonna put that wheelbarrow and that chemicals in. Going up. Took just a little more material than we expected. You can see they done started gutting it out on the inside. Kind of give you an idea. You can see all this is coming out. We're going to take this wall out. It's another chimney, but we're just going to close it up. We're not going to run it in. All of it would look good. What it was, the roof was leaking. Caused all this damage. Okay. You can see you've already started gutting it out on the inside. This is all plaster. I'm trying to be careful. I don't want to step on a nail. So if the camera's shaking a little bit, that's because this was the dining room, if you remember. They already started tearing it out. They're already tearing the walls out. All these we're gonna gut the walls all the way down to the studs. You can see they already started tearing it out. Still got a long way to go, but it's coming. can see Hector coming up.
I'm gonna pick the root before. Right over there, okay?